up, guys? Today I'm gonna be starting a new series. So yeah. So it's telling to buy flakes. I don't know what those are. Okay. So now we have to here. Okay. So I don't know what's gonna happen now. What the hell? It's a goldfish. Why is that there? There's another goldfish. What the hell? Oh my gosh. So now we need to... I'm gonna get this one. Oh wait, we got a trap. Ooh. Trap. Okay, so if you discover a new fish, you get 20 or like more money, I'm hoping. Or so let's sell. This is giving me the vibe of Grow a Garden. I don't know why, but it's giving me the vibe of Grow a Garden. So now it's showing us to buy anchovies. Damn, anchovies. Give me that. Hey, wait, we can buy two. I'm gonna place them. Delicious. Now I'm gonna put it. Okay. Let's catch some fish. What the hell? Corp? Never heard of that fish. Oh damn, $30. So I guess like the rare fish you like discover, you get. Here's some bass over here. Oh damn. Oh damn. Oh damn. Silver salmon. Bass and another salmon. Okay, cool. More salmon over here. Give me those. Okay, so now they want us to sell our new fish. Sell. Okay, now it's telling us to buy a reinforced rod. There it is. Just buy it. Okay. Guess let's go back. Oh wait, what's this, bro? Is this like someone else's? I'm gonna see. You must talk to the family pond. Okay. Bring me fish from the anchovies. Okay. So I guess let's go to and get a salmon. Okay, so now I'm back here. Let's give him the tiny salmon. Because don't like to share. Okay, so now apparently you can fish here. Oh, I'm sitting in the chair. Oh wait, this is taking a long time. What the? 450? God. More fish to add to our index. Perfect. Now let's get a little more of these. Okay, perfect. Thank you, family. Let's sell these fish. 1,362. Dang. I want to see. Oh, wait. Now we need to expand up here. Let's do that. What's the oil rig? Let's go. What the hell? What are these? Oh. Okay, let's try. Like, what the hell? I've never heard of an Illmonger or whatever. $3,500. Dang. We get rich with this one. Let's get those. More of them. Because more, the better. What the hell? That's the biggest thing I've ever seen. Wait, what's a deep crow? Oh my gosh, $7,000. That's crazy. The hell? Okay. Taking a long time. Okay, nice. We got it. What the hell? Backpack. Okay, now let's sell. Ooh, oil rig waters. Oh my! Nah. Nah. The hell? Okay. I feel like let's buy some more bait. I love bait. Once I've been fishing and all we came back was worms because let's buy the expanded pier so we can have a nice beefy pier. Let's buy some bait. The only bait I know is worms, to be honest. Let's get this jelly bait. Let's buy all 3 because we're rich. The herring. I want to buy some bait. That says balls for a second. I'm like, what the hell? What's a large one? Let's get it. Now put them in there. What the hell? Okay, maybe I bought a little too much pier expansion. Let's put there. Sorry, that's gonna have to get bleeped out. My bad. Okay. And then we can put one more here. Okay, perfect. What the? Okay. I am so sorry, guys. I do not know what just happened. I think I reached my recording limit because I'm on a phone. My PC broke. Trying to get that fixed. Tried calling the store that had it, doing everything, bro. They said they can't do anything about it, so I'm still trying to fix it. Let's get all these new fish. That's pretty sick. What the? Okay. Some of our fish turned shocked. Is that when in Girl Garden I know when like a plant gets struck by lightning, it's shocked, but is this game like Girl Garden? Okay. Alright guys, I'm running out of time. So I'm gonna buy this mechanical rod, I guess. I'm probably gonna post part 2 today or today or tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Peace.